Today we are going to discuss a program to print the average sale of salesman for 5 months. So at the first part we have the header files. In this program I have included 3 header files: IOStream, CSTD, IO manip. And in the next section I am going to create a user defined data type salesman using structures. And in this user defined data type salesman, we have included 4 different data members. The first one is SM code to include the salesman code. Next one SM name to include the salesman name. Next one sale amount of 5. It is an array which contains 5 different memory locations of float data type, and this is used to store the sale amount for 5 months. The next one is AVG sale, used to store the average sale of salesman. And the next one is structure variable SMAN of 20. That means this variable can store the details of 20 salesmen. Here the structure variable is declared along with the structure definition. And next we are going to the main portion of the program. This is the declaration. I have declared 3 variables and comma I, comma j of short data type. Next one some variable of float data type. Next I am going to the input section. First part I am going to input the number of salesmen. That means how many salesmen's details I have to be found out. So in this section I am going to enter the salesman amount. For example, if the value given is 2, that means the details of 2 salesmen should be entered as well as outputted. So next I enter the for loop, outer for loop. There are 2 for loop here, the outer one and the next one 2. So this is the outer for loop. Outer for loop opening bracket opens here and ends here, and the inner for loop this is the inner for loop, and this for loop is used to find out the total sale amount for 5 months. So this is the opening bracket of the inner for loop and this is the closing bracket of the inner for loop. So if the value of n is 2, that is 2 salesmen's data I have to be entered as well as outputted. Outer for loop, I reaches the outer for loop in the next statement. For I is equal to 0, I less than n means I less than 2 plus I. So in step 1 I takes the value 0. So in this condition 0 is less than 2, that means it is a true condition, so it will go to the body of the outer loop. In the first section I have to enter the details of salesman. I have given in the program as I plus 1, that means enter the details of salesman 1. I value 0, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, so enter the details of salesman 1. I have to enter the salesman code. I have given here as 230. Consider I have given here 230. That means 230 will be stored in SMAN of I dot SM code. That means SMAN of 0 dot SM code. So SMAN of 0 dot SM code means first salesman code. This is in the first position. That means it is the details of first salesman. So SMAN of 0 dot SM code means first salesman code. Next I am going to enter the salesman name, means SMAN of SM name. That means first salesman name. Next I have to enter the details of the amount of sales of first salesman for 5 months. So now I am going to enter the inner loop. I am going to enter the inner loop. So before the inner loop I have given sum is equal to 0. That means first I have to calculate this total amount. For this I am using a variable sum, and first I am initializing the data of sum as 0 and I am going to the inner loop. The inner loop is for j is equal to 0, j less than 5 plus j. That means in the first case j value is 0, j less than 5, that is 0 less than 5, the condition is true. So so the control enters the body of the inner loop. Next statement I have given is see out month of j plus 1. That means I have to enter the details of first month. Month of j plus 1 means month of j value is 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So month of 1, I have to enter the details of first month. I have given the sale amount of first month. I have given the sale amount as 23, sale amount as 23. That means first month sale is 23 and that will be stored in S-man of 0 dot sale amount of 0. S-man of 0, S-man of I dot sale amount of j. That means S-man of 0, outer loop value is 0 and the inner loop value is also 0. So it will be stored as S-man of 0 dot sale amount of 1. That means first salesman's first month value, that is 23. First salesman first month sale amount, and that amount is in the next statement. It is added to the sum value. Sum previous value is 0. So 0 plus 23 will be added and the new value will be stored in the variable sum. And in the next statement, the inner loop statement ends. So it again goes to the increment section of the for loop. So the value of j becomes 1. Here also j becomes 1. Here also the condition is true because 1 is less than 5. So the condition is true. Again the control enters the body of the inner loop. Next statement is month of j plus 1. That means month of 2. J value is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And I have given as, consider I have given as 19. That means the sale amount is 19 for month 2. And the 19 is stored in S-man of 0 dot S-man of, sale amount of 1. That means S-man of 0, S-man of I dot sale amount of j. That means now the outer value is 0 and the inner value is 1. So S-man of 0 dot sale amount of 1. What's the meaning of that? First salesman's second month sale amount. Immediately in the next statement, that value is added to sum. So sum previous value is 23. So 23 plus the present value is 19. 23 plus 19, 42 will be stored in this variable sum. So this process will be continued for 5 months. And when the value of j becomes 5, the inner loop will be the control from the inner loop will be exited because the condition becomes false. J is not less than 5, j is equal to 5. So the condition becomes false and the control gets out of the inner loop and it enters the outer loop. Next, the outer loop value is, this is the inner loop. So the next statement that follows the inner loop is S-man of ij dot abj of sale is equal to sum divided by 5. That means S-man of I means S-man of 0 dot abj sale is used to denote the average sale. That is equal to sum divided by 5. Sum is the total value of 5 months sale amount. That value will be stored in the sum variable after the 5 months average sale is calculated, and that value will be divided by 5. So we get the first salesman average sale amount. That is S-man of 0 means first salesman average sale amount will be obtained. And next the outer loop ends. So it again goes to the outer loop condition. The outer loop increment statement. The outer loop increment statement is plus plus I. That means the value of I becomes 1. Outer loop value is I. So the control variable is I. So its value becomes 1. I is also less than 2. Condition is true. So it again enters the body of the outer loop. The same process will be repeated for the second salesman also. His code will be entered, his name will be entered, the 5 months sale amount will be entered, and again the average sale will be calculated. And again when it enters the outer loop, when the outer loop ends, the value of I plus plus I becomes 2. Now the condition becomes false because 2 is not less than 2. Condition becomes false because 2 is not less than 2. Condition becomes false. So goes to the next statement after the outer loop ending, that is it goes to the line number 43 to print the output values of the to print the output. Now we have entered the output section. So in the output section we are going to print the code, name and average sales in 5 months of a salesman. So for this I have written a for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than n plus plus I. That means I is equal to 0, I less than 2 plus plus I. I am going to enter in the first statement I am going to display sman I dot sm code. That means sman of 0 dot sm code. That is first salesman sm code, second one first salesman name, and the third one is first salesman average sale. Next the closing bracket is encountered, so it again goes to the increment section. Now the value of I is 1, so again the condition is true, 1 is less than 2. So in the it enters the body of the loop. It prints sman of 1 dot sm code. That means the second salesman sm code is printed, second salesman name is printed, and the second salesman's average sale is printed. The closing bracket is encountered. It again goes to the increment section. Now the value of I becomes 2. Here the condition becomes false because 2 is not less than 2. 2 is equal to 2. Since the condition is false, the control goes out of the loop. Now the out of the loop statement is return of 0. Our program is entered, and our program displays the code, name, average sales of a salesman, of each salesman in 5 months. So this is a program. So this is a program, and again I want to save this program. I'm going to save this program. Again I'm going to compile this program. I'm going to click the compile button. Compilation finished, successfully is displayed. I am going to build this program. Okay, again I am going to execute this program. So this is the output window. This is the input section. Enter the number of salesmen. I am going to give as, for example, I am going to give as 2. I am pressing the enter key. Enter the details of first salesman. I am giving as 230. First salesman code I am giving as 230. I am pressing the enter key. The second salesman name I am giving as Jitu Xavier. I am pressing the enter key. See, I am going to give the amount of sales in 5 months. First month sale amount I am going to give as 12. Second sale amount I am going to give as 23. Third sale amount I am going to give as 11. Fourth one 34. Fifth one 67. I am pressing enter key. Now they are asking to enter the details of second salesman. Second code I am going to give as 345. Sale man name I am going to give as Akash John. Next is for first month sale amount 89, 23, 45, 12, 67. See, so this is the output of a program. Here the code, name, average sales in 5 months is printed. So the first code is 230, here also 230, name Jitu Xavier, and the average sale is calculated by adding this 5 months sale amount average sale is calculated by dividing this sum, the 5 months sum, by 5, and the value displayed is 29.4. In the same way, in the next line, the second sale man code is displayed, that is 345. I have entered here as 345. Name is Akash John is printed, and the average sale in 5 months is also printed. So this is the program that is used to print the average sales of salesman for 5 months using structures. Hope all of you understood this program. Thank you.